Hello friends, it's Brandy with HipKit Club. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm working on a layout using these gorgeous July kits. And I'm starting off using some scrap pieces of paper here. And I want to, I took that one die that comes with the scalloped die. It's intended to be a stitched strip, but I'm going to use it just a little bit differently today, and I wanted to die cut a piece out of that scrap there, so that's why you see that hole in there. Now I'm just going to layer these pieces together and place them on top of my background piece of paper. I guess here would be a good place to go ahead and tell you guys that this is my last layout with the HipKit Club design team. I'm just not going to have enough time coming up in this next term to be able to fulfill my obligations. So I decided to take a step back and let somebody else new come in. I think we're going to have several new members, so I cannot wait to find out who those are. And I know they're going to be absolutely amazing, but you guys will still be able to see me on the HipKit Club Facebook page, and I'm still going to be working with the HipKit Club products, obviously, because I love them so much. So y'all can probably tell at this point what my idea is for this page. Instead of stitching in that little strip there, I'm making it look like my photos are hanging off of that strip. Kind of like a swing, maybe? But I just used a needle threader to help me get my floss through those holes, because it just, was fraying at the ends and I was getting frustrated. So the needle threader saved the day for me. Now, once I get this piece glued down just on the ends here, I'm going to add a couple of little brads that you see over there on the right of the page. And then I'm going to, off camera, go ahead and glue my photos down. I haven't used brads in forever, and I was going to put bows there, but it dawned on me that I have these brads in my stash and they're kind of cute, so why not pull them out and put them to use? Okay, my photos are glued down, and I grabbed this foam sticker piece. I started to use this as my title, but I decided here in a little bit not to do that. I just took the sticky off of the back of it so I could move it around a little bit, and I figured out sort of the general location that I want it. So I go ahead and pull out some of these vellum floral pieces, and I choose a few that I like the arrangement of. I just kind of play with it for a little bit until I figure out exactly the way I want it to go. I am a really slow scrapper. You guys should be grateful that I fast forward this and cut a lot out, because y'all would be so bored with me if you had to watch every single bit of it. Oh my goodness, it takes me forever. Now I need to add something interesting down here below sunny days, and I thought that these journaling pieces I like the texture of them. The shape of them is a little bit different than anything else that I have on the page, and I think they work nicely underneath there. So I sprinkle a few more pieces here and there around the page, and I don't ever journal on those little pieces right there at the bottom, so I'm just using them to add some interest and bring some more shapes to the page. Oh, and obviously off camera I added my title. I really love those oh my goodness, the chipboard alphas. They're the best chipboard alphas I've ever seen. They're not flimsy, and they don't feel like chipboard. They're so awesome. I hope Kimberly includes more just like them in future kits because they're so great. While I have an opportunity, I want to thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel and watching my videos, and all of the subscriptions and all of the likes that I'm getting. They mean so much to me. My channel is growing. I'm still a long way from where I want to be, but I can definitely see getting there, and the momentum is building. Okay, I'm just sprinkling some more pieces around here and there, and that one little journaling piece that I tucked under the paper that's under the S and the U at the bottom is red, and it's bugging me that I don't have any of that color anywhere else on the layout. So I tried to go back and see what I could find that fit that same color scheme. And you see me, these are some pieces out of the cut apart page from the Pocket Life. So I thought it would be fun to bring some of those in. It kind of balances out the circles and that red color, and then the banner piece adds another shape, and it all just worked out so well. Now, I haven't done this in a hot minute on my layouts. The stamping is always so much fun, and you guys are about to see me make a mistake right here. I got startled and it slipped when I picked it up. It kind of stuck to the paper a little bit. It slipped because I didn't have a good grip on it, but I'm going to fix it just by restamping it and gluing it down as a strip. I also off camera had stamped the word date in that yellow circle under fun and sun. You can see it now, but I don't like it, so I'm just gonna stamp right over it with this heart, and that's gonna wrap this layout up. Off camera, I'm gonna add some highlights to my heart, and that's it. Thank you all for joining me today. I hope you have a lovely crafty day. Bye-bye.